Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss enable task manager option in taskbar menu in Windows 11. After installing the update, when you right click on the taskbar, you will find the task manager option. Lots of users complaining that after installing the Windows 11 moment 1 update, then task manager option is missing in the Windows 11 taskbar context menu. Fortunately, you can force enable the task manager option in the taskbar context menu. Right click start menu, then select run. Type residit. Click OK. Click SQL local machine. Click system. Click current control set. Click control. Find feature management. Click feature management. Click overrides. Click 4. Right click on the 4K and select the new key option from the menu. Then type name code. Click enter. Right click and select new DWRD 32-bit value. Then type name enable state. Double click on it and set its value data to. Click OK. Following the same procedure, you need to create another DWRD value, name enable state option. At last, close everything and restart your computer. After restart, if you right click on the taskbar, this time you can find a task manager option. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.